Hi guys, NCWQ here, and we're looking at Google Earth, and we're going to look at COVID-19 by state. I'm going to start with Alabama. And we'll wait for this to open real quick. Alabama has confirmed 951 cases. They've had 18 reported deaths and 13 have died from illness. Alaska. And this is Alaska. Alaska is reporting 119 cases. And this is through all of their areas here. Arkansas. Arkansas is here. Arkansas is reporting 508 cases, 32 recoveries, thank God, and 7 deaths. You can see the darkest blue areas are the areas that are more concentrated with people having gotten sick. And one of them is Benton. Arizona. Arizona is here. Arizona is reporting 1,289 cases, 24 deaths. And you can see that this area here is where it's widespread. So that is 788 people in this area here. California. Sorry, my computer's a little slow today. California, state officials are stating 5,763 as of yesterday. I pulled up the LA Times. They're stating 7,454 confirmed and 149 deaths. And if we look at the global number, there's 782,365 people are sick, 37,582 have passed, and in the United States it's 161,807 confirmed, with 2,978 people having passed away. Colorado, which is here. Colorado has reported 2,627 cases, 414 people hospitalized out of 47 counties. 51 people have passed away, and there's been 14 outbreaks in Colorado. Connecticut. This is Connecticut here. Connecticut updated yesterday. They have not updated again yet. And they're reporting that there is 2,571 with 578 more cases since yesterday. And as of today, the total is 2,571 with 36 people having passed away. DC. DC is reporting 495 positives. 121 people have recovered, thank God, and 9 deaths. Florida. Florida is reporting 6,096 residents positive. Hospitalized are 772. Let's pray for all those people. 77 people have passed away, and a total is 6,338. And that's adding all together. Actually, the areas that are being hit hardest is down here, and that is Broward County here. And then it's starting to get darker up in this area here, and that is, I believe, Broward County. Nope, that's not Broward. Hang on. Dade County. That's Miami-Dade, so that's Dade County. And this one here is Broward County. I used to live in Brevard County. Georgia, which is here. Georgia is reporting a total of 3,817 with 818 people hospitalized, so let's pray for them. And deaths 108. And these two counties here are the highest number of cases for Georgia. Hawaii. Hawaii is reporting 204 with 29 new cases. 49 people have recovered, thank God, and they have not had anybody pass away. There is 12 people who are hospitalized. And the most amount of the cases are coming from these two areas here, and that is Honolulu County. Idaho. Idaho is here. They're reporting 415 cases. And I put this up here because the demographics are interesting. 18 to 49 is 210 people. 50 plus is 201, and less than 18 years of age is 3, and 1 is unknown. Healthcare workers, 25. 6 people have been admitted to the ICU. Illinois. Which is here. Illinois is reporting 5,057 positive, with 73 people having passed. And we can look in these dots here are the areas, these yellow ones, the orange ones is where people have passed away. And the greatest number passed away in this bigger orange one, and that's the Chicago area, which also has the most cases. Indiana. Indiana is reporting 2,159 positive cases with 49 people having passed. And you can see these areas here are the greatest amount of cases. The highest one is right here, which is 964 in this little area here. Iowa. Iowa's here. Iowa's confirming 497 cases. And their largest counties, these ones 3 here. This one has 76. This one here has 90. And this one here, Johnson County, has 73. So it's Lynn, Polk, and Johnson counties. Kansas. This is Kansas here. Kansas is reporting 368 positive, 8 deaths, and 2 of those people are from out of state. And they're not reporting how many people have gotten better. Kentucky. Kentucky is reporting 480 positives and 11 people have passed away. Louisiana, which is here. Louisiana is reporting 5,237 cases. 239 people have passed away. And you can see the biggest areas are the bigger dots here. That one's big, big, and another huge one down here. Let's pray for all these people. Maine, which is here. Maine is confirming 303 cases, 68 recovered, thank God, 57 hospitalized that need prayer, and 5 deaths so far. You can see this area down here is the biggest area that's been hit, and they have 169 cases. That is Cumberland County in Maine. Maryland, which is here, is reporting 1,660 cases. You can see the darkest areas here is 388 cases, 341, and that's followed by this other one with 227. That's Montgomery, Prince George's County, and Baltimore County. Then it's followed by Baltimore City, Anne Arundel, Howard, Carroll, and Charles. Massachusetts, which is here. Massachusetts has a grand total of positive 5,752, and that's out of 42,793 people tested. Michigan, and this is Michigan here. This is 6,498 people are positive. Deaths is 184. And you can see the little counties down here are the ones that have been hardest hit. Then you have these ones on the other sides. And then the one up here. I think I missed it. Hang on. Minnesota. Minnesota is here. Minnesota is confirming 629. People that no longer need to be isolated is 288. And they've reported 12 deaths so far. Hospitalized as of today is 56. So they need prayer as well. Mississippi. And this is Mississippi here. Mississippi is showing 937 people that are sick and 20 people have passed away so far. And you can see these blue areas are areas that they have more than 30 cases. And this was updated yesterday, last night. Missouri, which is here. Missouri is cases in Missouri is 10,000. I mean 1,031. 31 people have passed away so far, and that was updated today, the 31st. And we can see they have 1,031 with 13 people having passed. And you can see the hardest hit areas are the ones that are in orange. Montana. Montana is here. Montana is confirming 184 cases with 4 people who passed away. And you can see this area down here is Gallatin County, and they've had 69 cases here. Nebraska. Nebraska has confirmed 172 positive, and 3 people have passed away. And you can see this area right here, I believe this is Douglas County, and they have 85 cases here in this little county right here. Nevada. And this is Nevada here. Nevada is confirming 1,113 positive, and 17 people have passed away. We can look at this and see this is males. The darker is females, and this little percentage is unknown. So it looks like females are getting this COVID worse than males are getting it. Well, they're getting it. More females are getting it than males. New Hampshire. New Hampshire is the number of people with COVID-19 is 314. 3 people have passed away. 45 are hospitalized. And you can see here, there's a really dark area here is an area that's most affected, and then the slighter dark ones, there's another real dark area here and there, and then the little less darker ones is 10 to 19. So it shows the amount of cases per each area, and the ones that are light tan are 1 to 4 cases. New Jersey. New Jersey is here. New Jersey is confirming 18,696 positive cases. They've confirmed 267 people have passed away, and that's as of today. New Mexico. New Mexico is confirming 281 cases, with 4 people having passed away. New Mexico. New York. New York is confirming 66,496 cases. North Carolina. North Carolina is confirming 1,498 cases, with 8 deaths so far, and hospitalized are 157. And we can see that these areas here are the ones that have been hit the hardest. My area has 18 so far. So we're like in that triangle here. North Dakota. North Dakota is confirming 122 positive cases, with 25 recovered, thank God, and 3 have passed away, and 20 that are hospitalized. We need to pray for them too. Ohio. And this is Ohio here. Ohio is confirming 2,199 cases, 198 ICU admissions, 585 number of hospitalized in Ohio. 55 people have passed away. And 53 is the median age. 49% males and 51% females. Oregon. Oregon last updated at 8 a.m. yesterday, so they have not given another update yet. But at that time, it was 606 positive, and 16 people had passed away. Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania has confirmed 4,843 people with COVID-19 and deaths at 63. And again, we'll look at their age range and percent of cases. 0 to 4 was less than 1%, 5 to 12 was less than 1%, 13 to 18 is 1%, 19 to 24 was 10%, 25 to 49 was 41%, 50 to 64 was 29%, and 65 and older was 19%. So 25 to 49 seems to be the medium age range. Rhode Island. And this is Rhode Island here. Rhode Island is reporting 408 positive cases. 4 people have passed away. And they've got 1,000 people in quarantine. South Carolina. South Carolina is here. South Carolina confirmed 925 positive cases, with Anderson and Beaufort the highest, and they've had 18 people pass away. South Dakota. South Dakota is reporting 108 positive cases, 12 people hospitalized, 1 person's passed away, 44 people have recovered, thank God. Tennessee. And this is Tennessee here. Tennessee is reporting a total of 1,834 positive. I'm looking at their age range here, and you can look and see that 21 to 30 is 462, 31 to 40 is 289, 41 to 50 is 299, 51 to 60 is 280, 61 to 70 is 212, 71 to 80 is 120, 80 plus is 50, and 0 to 10 is 18. So looks like 21 to 30 is the age range for people getting this virus. Texas. Texas is reporting 3,266 with 41 people having passed away. Utah, which is here. Utah is reporting 887 positive. 73 people are hospitalized and 5 people have passed away. And you can look here and see that this is the area that's been mostly affected, these two areas here. I believe the biggest one was Salt Lake County with 396. And that seems to be followed by Summit County with 172. Vermont. Vermont is reporting as of today 293 positive cases and 13 people have passed away. Virginia. Virginia has a total of 1,250 cases, 165 people are hospitalized, and 27 people have passed away. You can see these areas here in the darker blue are the areas where there's the most cases. Washington State. Washington State, the last update was March 28th, where they have confirmed 4,896. Total deaths was 195. So you can see this is as of the 28th, so this one has not been updated yet. West Virginia. West Virginia is confirming as of today 162 positive cases with 1 person having passed away. Oops, I do West Virginia. Wisconsin. Wisconsin is reporting as of today 1,351 positive with 16 people having passed away. And then these areas down here that are the biggest, this one, and this one, all have the most cases. And that's near Milwaukee. And that's Madison. West Virginia. We just did West Virginia. Okay. Wyoming. It's the last one. Wyoming is here. Wyoming is confirming 109 cases out of 15 counties. 26 cases have recovered, thank God, and they've had 0 deaths. You can see their areas that had the most was Fremont, Teton, Laramie, followed by Natrona and Sheridan, and then Campbell, Converse, Albany, Goshen, Carbon, Sweetwater, Sublette, Park, and Washackle. Anyways, you guys, just thought I'd do a real quick update on this. I probably will keep to every other day. Anyways, you guys, please take good care of yourselves. Be safe and much love.